Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi ladies and gentlemen, my name is Huldiana Azizah Fauziati and I'm a first author for this paper. Now, let me show you this paper with the title Gamification of Virtual Maskets as a STEM-based learning media to improve students' creative thinking skills. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. So, ladies and gentlemen, as we knew that the world is shocked by one of the problems, namely COVID-19. COVID-19 significantly impacts human survival, one of which is education. Education is forced to adapt quickly to distance learning by implementing various digital features. This change is a new challenge for educators to continue learning even though it is remote, but does not reduce learning effectiveness. And so, this is the introduction. The COVID-19 pandemic is a non-natural disaster that has spread throughout the world. In fact, since August 29, 2022, there were 601 million cases with 6.49 million deaths. The COVID-19 pandemic has forced the implementation of learning in schools to transform from face-to-face learning or offline to virtual learning by utilizing digital. In fact, teachers, students, and parents are not ready to deal with situations like this. And we know the impacts that occur includes 1. Learning interruptions because of the pandemic. 2. Students are confused and stressed because they didn't meet his friends. 3. Parents are not ready for distance learning and homeschooling. And 4. Teachers are not innovative in distance learning that is able to awaken students' creative thinking skills. For this reason, digital learning media is needed to support distance learning to improve students' creative thinking skills. So, let's move on to the literature review. The Industrial Revolution 4.0 is characterized by the existence of intelligent robots that have gone through the artificial intelligence programming process. Subconsciously, it must be addressed through change in learning that students can think globally. It is undeniable that high-tech products control almost all humans, as if humans cannot live with the technology. One of the skills that must be mastered in the 21st century is creative thinking skills. STEM. STEM is an acronym for science, technology, engineering, and math. STEM integrates the science of several subjects to solve complex problems. Research suggests that educators can use gamification to create creative thinking skills. The benefits of using a gamification approach to learning are increased student engagement, motivation, and the effectiveness of the learning process. Okay, now in this session, we are going to talk about the methods. This research uses quantitative research by using questionnaires as a tool data collector. The research subjects were grade 5 students of Tul Pekerja Elementary School for the 2020-2021 school year, totaling 31 students. The research instrument used a Likert scale of 1 to 4 includes virtual masked learning media and creative thinking skills created in Google Forms. Quantitative data analysis using software IBM SPSS Statistic 25.0 with correlation tests. Teachers or students can find the virtual masked collection used in the study at this link. The procedure in the study can be shown in below. The teacher collected the research data with feedback through asynchronous. The Google Forms application facilitates the immediate response received during learning. First, as shown in figure, the teacher prepares learning tools such as teaching materials, and objectives to deliver the learning material. Second, students play games on virtual mascots that have been shared online through links. Before starting the quiz, students are given instructions for the work and the conditions that need to be prepared. Students take the game quiz by answering the correct answer box through a maze-shaped road and avoiding enemies chasing them. Lives will be reduced by 1 if the student is hit by an enemy or chooses an answer. The time given is for 7 minutes with 5 lives. Then, they fill out a questionnaire. Finally, the teacher analyzes the data obtained. They judge their views on a Likert scale on a 4-point span, 1 to strongly disagree and 4 to strongly agree. Data collection through filling out an online questionnaire containing closed-ended questions. Closed-ended questions are students' preference for interpreting experience during learning using STEM-based virtual mascot gamification learning media. After this all, now we can see the results for today's discussion. So here we go. Based on the calculation results using the Pearson correlation test, it can be seen that the Pearson correlation value of STEM-based virtual mascot learning media and creative thinking skills is 0.926, which means that according to the table, has a perfect correlation. The results of the correlation test between STEM-based virtual mascot learning media and creative thinking skills can be seen that the probability of 0.000 less than 0.50, significant level of 5%, then HO was rejected. That it can be concluded that there is a relationship or correlation between STEM-based virtual mascot learning media and creative thinking skills. Based on research by Faizatun et al. 2021, the research revealed the use of virtual learning media to increase students' interest and motivation in thematic learning in elementary schools. The results showed that there was a change in attitude after learning using virtual media. This change can be seen from the aspect of student activity and observation assessment criteria measured through several indicators, including 1. Student activity online is evidenced by attendance. 2. Student activity when collecting assignments. 3. Dare to ask questions. The study concludes that using virtual media in Class 2 thematic learning can increase students' interest and motivation in education. With gamification, the teaching and learning process becomes more fun and exciting. More than that, playing games requires concentration that students' attention is focused on the material presented. Teachers can analyze students' needs before students apply this gamification method to get more effective results. As said above, learning using virtual mascot media can stimulate ideas initially and differently from before, making it easier to understand and remember material by integrating education and games. In the end, students' creative thinking skills will improve. Last but not least, let me tell you about the conclusion for our research. The influence of STEM-based virtual mascot gamification learning media on students' creative thinking skills has a Pearson correlation result of 0.926, which means it has a perfect correlation. STEM-based virtual mascot learning media can make it easier for students to understand science material on Theme 6, energy and its displacement, and teachers in online learning. And the virtual application has various advantages, such as being easily accessible without downloading, free, and having multiple features. So guys, that's enough for the day. Thank you very much and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.